Across Aotearoa, every industry in every sector is changing. To make an innovative change, it needs skilled professionals who understand the unique needs of Māori to help them supervise and support their staff and peers. At Te Wānanga o Aotearoa, we've created a unique Kaitiakitanga program that can take your practice to the next level by developing bicultural skills that use a mātauranga Māori approach to your teaching and learning. We've designed 4 konai ako or learning modules that will help you unpack layers of insights, knowledge, interpretations, and understandings of how to pursue a conscientious approach to Kaitiakitanga. They are mōhiotanga, māramatanga, hōhonutanga, and Māori ora. 4 learning modules that will prepare you to practice a Kaitiakitanga framework in your working environment. This full-time 38-week program is delivered through a mixture of in-class teaching, tutorials, and through collaborative working environments in our regular wānanga and noho marae. You will need to have access to an internet-connected digital device to fully participate in this program. Here at Te Wānanga o Aotearoa, we offer a range of free services including student support, program support, online tools, and access to our world-class facilities around the country. For more information, see our program details online at twoa.ac.nz or come see us at one of our 80 sites around Aotearoa. See you soon, e whā mā.